Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is a Thursday. Yesterday we went to Darnell's Brumbies game. He won the tournament, but then again there weren't that many teams in it because Sydney couldn't come because of the whole lockdown thing. So yeah, I don't know if it was because they were, you know, or no, I'm just kidding. Darnell played really well, so super proud of him. So well done, darling. Tonight we're going to have dinner with my over at my brother's house and his wife, their family. The whole family's going over there, so I thought, you know, why not vlog it? My brother's here. The one that you guys, I don't know if I vlogged it. He was originally from Brisbane, so we're gonna go have dinner at my other brother's house who lives here in Canberra, and the whole family's going. So we're gonna have a big dinner there with them and just jam. Hopefully you guys get to meet him. I'm not sure if I introduced him to the vlog yet or not, but we've been looking after his daughter, my niece Ella, the one you would have seen in the mukbang. I'm gonna miss her. It's been a little strange having a older girl around, like, because we're so used to having nephews. We haven't really been around an older girl. We've really enjoyed our time with her, but the reason I bring that up is because I actually went out and bought her a little goodie bag. So I got these I got this backpack from Strand Bags, and I just went to different stores. I got a whole heap of goodie stuff in here. She also said that she really liked books, and honestly, I loved books growing up. By the time I was like 10 or 11, I was already reading like the thick as Harry Potter novels. I was like a big bookworm growing up, so it's awesome to see that she is one as well. So this one is The Very First You. Just talks about, you know, being original. You're the first person to have... Honestly, why does this guy come through the back door? He's honestly so annoying. Stop coming here. Fangaliki olo garage.
Why you fucked it? Anything I'll show you.
Hey, Aussie boy.
Hi, Bill.
Excuse me, are you saying hi to all the girls?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bum you. Did you see what I got, Ella? We honestly need to change the lights in this place. I don't like the yellow lighting. It just makes our house look so... Ugh. Guys, we're going to be on our way soon. I'm just waiting for Aussie to finish doing his hair. That guy takes like so long to do his hair, honestly. I haven't really showed you guys my house, but it's partly because I honestly really miss my old house. Our new house where we're at is more further out. So it's added like 5 or 10 minutes extra onto my commute to work, and so I pass the turnoff that I used to take every day, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I just wish I could just turn down here and go to my house like I used to. And I've been checking the market every single day because I want to go to the auction. I just want to see how much they're going to sell it for. And they haven't even posted it. It's been like almost 3 weeks and they still haven't posted it on the market. And I'm like, honestly, if they asked me if I wanted to move back in, I would take it in a heartbeat. I would move straight back into that house. I don't care how, you know, I would seriously be bothered to pack everything back up here and move back into that house. I miss that house so much, guys. I mean, overall, I'm very grateful to have a roof over my head. Some are not that fortunate. I'm grateful to be in a comfy bed, warm bed, you know, my husband laying next to me, but it's a preference thing. It's definitely a preference thing. When you've been living in a house that was built like modern, and then you come to a house that was built, you know, early 2000s, then honey, it's very, very different. Hey, Georgie.
Hey. I started writing this song.
I'm listening to this memoir from Claire Bowditch.
Hi, Georgie. Hi, Angie. Oh my gosh, heaps of pizza, got a bread. Very, very yummy.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Is it? Wait, I'm not sure if it's recording.
I got you the low one because the mini brands were not there. They were all sold out.
Is it a birthday?
Hello, Spirit. Hi.
Go sit up.
Spirit, Ella. I'm excited. Evan.
Kelly.
You guys want to eat now?
You got books
Show the
Do you
reaction.
want to read a book, Ruben? Yeah, and your gel pens.
What's this for?
Because I'm leaving.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you so much. So you hopefully take bread too.
Wow. Wow.
Hey.
Aussie, need help?
This is my little nephew. His name's Lion. Look how small he is. So he is older than Chris's baby. Soini over there. He's a big chubby chub. And this guy's so tiny. His face is so small. Hey, so, how was your day, so?
He wants to
Oi, mang mia, oi, see over there and lips. Hey, Ruben, say hi. Ella's brother. Hey, Spirit. This is my other niece you guys haven't met. She's so cute. Evan, what do you say to everyone? Huh?
I said hi, Auntie. Good.
Oh, okay. How's the pizza? Really good? Chicken chippies, Kingsley's. This is the best chicken in Canberra. What do you have to say?
Subscribe to Vicky's videos.
Okay, do you want to go show everyone what the kids are doing?
Yep.
Don't drop it.
Hey, Mona. Dino, say hi.
We've already said hi, darling. Go see what the kids are doing.
Papa, that's the money.
We just got here. Hello, is your hair made of gold now? I really didn't like it, so I put my beanie on straight away. It's so short. You look like Dora. You're so annoying. It's a bob. No way.
I didn't know that. Why did you do that?
No.
21.
To your older sister.
Oh. How many is playing? 15.
See this guy?
Go 15. Once you collect all your letters and you say peel, everyone peels 2 each. And the first one to finish all the letters wins.
This is evidence that I won. He, rice, frozen prawns, Sue, aim, same. This is a really good game, guys, but it's just a little bit difficult. Gets your brain cells running. I believe I won once, but my haters might say that I didn't. Haters, did I win once?
Sure you did.
It's called Bananagrams. Are you guys going?
I choose whatever letter. Are you going to sleep now? Are you going to sleep?
Okay, guys, this is the last game. Who's gonna win? Oh, is everyone flipped? Oh, yeah, you gotta say split and then everyone flips.
Oh, split.
I know, she's like split. She's already papastanging her. Aww. That a cheap Molly. She didn't know even. She goes, Wapa whippy.
What did you say
She goes, Dad, a chippy.
Oh.
Hello. Don't even. You were the one that told us to do that. Do you want to say anything, Silla?
Can you just tell them about your story about the socks?
And Molly.
Stop jumping on the couch.
My oi there. Oi, jumping on the couch. Hey, Spirit. She's so scared. It's alright, darling. Don't worry. Oh. Come here so I can give you a call.
My car makes sense of all the numbers.
You know what? What are you laughing at?
That was ATO.
The Australian Taxation Office. Molly thinks that she won.
Look at Molly's words. It was B-I-G-E.
See,
That's some one words now.
how do you feel with your new haircut?
You better not show that.
No, it looks actually really looks nice. I just think it should have been a tad longer, so that it could like embrace your face a little bit more.
I wanted it short. Because the last time I cut that other length, like it became so long that it flicked, and that was nasty.
Look,
Baby!
yeah.
Baby bitch. She's a batch.
Is this a badge?
It's a potato.
It's a potato. That song that she just played, that's the only song that all of you guys ever know how to play on the keyboard. Well, let's say you, Chris. Legit, it's like, oh, whatever that song was, Casey and JoJo. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna end off the vlog tonight. I'm not sure how much footage we got. It's 10:40. Tonight's a work night, so we got work tomorrow. But your boy Georgie over here.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And Molly. Molly! Oh, fine, I'll come closer then.
What's up, SB Squad?
Okay, guys, we're ending off the vlog. This is my family. It's the first time we've been together in such a long time, all together in one house. My parents are gone, obviously. But if you like the vlog, be sure to like it, subscribe, comment. And then we're just going to end it off with a song. My brother over there is going to play. Hit it, boy! What?
In the bar.
No, like an official intro song.
They're not trying to make love. So it's an intro. I don't know what kind of intro you need to intro. It's not for vlog.
When's your Sibling Victoria? They make the SB Squad.
Oh, that's right.
Now your turn, I'm
Sorry.
And when Isaiah open his mouth.
Please like and subscribe.
Oh my gosh, Molly, do not! Oh, I'm sick of this.
Get it out.
What?
She's gonna look for it. No, she actually is. She's looking for it. I even know the rap. She's rapped it so many times.
Can you do it? I've never heard it.
Don't be jealous.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna finish off with Molly's song dedicated to her one and only. Her mana mea, her baby boo, her siam popo, her German bun.
Whoa.
Molly, you gotta get me copyrighted.
What? That's the song.
Let me speak the truth. Let me tell you what to do from the beginning of the time till I met you. What's that rap? Auntie Molly's rap before?
So let me speak the truth. Let me tell you what to do from the beginning of time
Till I met you. You made me smile in the way I had to have you. It was then I knew you had to be my baby.
Seeing your eyes, remember I see light.
And then in my day.
One more, you have to link in the bio. Get ready to buy my album, okay?
Oh, wow.
It costs money. It's not for free, alright? Thank you very
Look at
much.
this one. Oh, I like Sia's haircut.
Go to the normal hairdresser, see, or did you try to go somewhere new?
No, I've been going to this organic salon. Okay, Lina, you're the last song before we...
Okay, Lena, we want to hear your beautiful voice.